So here is how to allow pop-ups on Safari. To change the settings for this specific purpose, you will not be able to do it from the browser itself. You first need to open up the settings application on your phone. So once you're in the settings, you need to scroll all the way down and find the apps option. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, you need to search for and find Safari. Once you find it, tap on it. After that, scroll down and search for the pop-ups option. Here, you will see something like block pop-ups, and as you can see, it's currently enabled. To disable it, just toggle it off. If you turn it off, pop-ups will be allowed on Safari. If you want to disable it again, all you need to do is follow the same steps and come back here to enable this option. And that's it. That is exactly how to allow pop-ups on Safari.